hell was wrong with my damn car? It won't turn over. Hey, Carrie, did you have any trouble with the car the last time you drove
No,
it?
it drove to the dealership fine.
Why was you at the dealership for?
The oil light came on, so I took it to the dealership to ask them how much would it cost.
We get free oil change. It comes with the warranty on the car.
I didn't know. The lady told me it'd be $120, so I came home and changed it myself.
You ain't got no oil at the house. What did you use?
I just put olive oil in it and figured it would be more eco-friendly.
You just took a free oil change to $1,000 engine fix? Damn.
Quit yelling at me. I was just trying to help.